Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through fail to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126 on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we need to click on the start button and type Windows PowerShell. After this match result appear, right click on it and select run as administrator. Once it's load, paste the command that we provide on the description. You can find there and paste one by one that we've showing in this video. So first paste this and tap enter, then paste the second prompt like this. Copy the prompt and paste it here. Right click, edit and select paste. Hit enter. After that, paste the third command. As before we do that, again right click on the top and select edit and select paste, then enter. As you can see, a menu will pop up from the Microsoft Store. It's called Gaming Service. Just click on the install button. It will prepare your installation file. It may take time, so wait until it finishes. As you can see, my gaming service now installed on my device. So close the window and also close the Windows PowerShell. Now try to open any game that you want to play. It may fix the issue that appears on your device. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos.